Find the first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth term is given by the rule a sub n is equal to 4n minus 2. Hi guys! Welcome sa Love Math! And today, meron na naman tayong problem na sasagutan. Let's see if basic lang to. Okay, so we have here or we have to find for the first 5 terms. So, ibig sabihin, ang value ng n natin, since first 5 terms yung hinahanap natin ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito nga yung mga numbers na to ang isa-substitute natin sa ating n. Okay, to find for the first 5 terms. Okay, let's start with the first term. So, n is equal to 1. So, yung mga n natin, magsa-substitute tayo ng 1. So, this one will be a sub 1 is equal to 4 times, times yan ha, yung operation between these two ha. So, 4 times 1 minus 2. Okay, so 4 times 1 is just 4 minus 2. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. Basic. Okay, how about if we have the second term? So, n is equal to 2. So, we are going to substitute 2 sa mga n natin. So, we have a sub 2 is equal to 4 times 2 minus 2. Okay? So, 4 times 2 is, that's right, 8 minus 2. So, 8 minus 2 is 6. Correct. Okay? How about the third term? So, n is equal to 3. So, substitute natin, we have a sub 3 is equal to 4 times 3 minus 2. Okay? So, 4 times 3 is, correct, 12 minus 2, and that is, that's right, 10. Okay, how about the fourth term? So, we have here, we have n is equal to 4. So, we have a sub 4 is equal to 4 times 4 minus 2. Okay, so 4 times 4 is, correct, 16 minus 2, and that is 14. And the last one, the fifth term, the last term, which is n equals to 5. So, we substitute a sub 5 is equal to 4 times 5 minus 2. So, 4 times 5 is 20 minus 2. We have, correct, 18. So, the first 5 terms in the sequence are 2, 6, 10, 14, and 18. Ang basic naman. Okay, now you try. You have to find for the first 5 terms. Okay. Given this rule. A sub n is equal to 5n plus 6. Okay, what will be the first 5 terms of this? You try to solve ha. Kung naintindihan ng video na to, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section ha, kung na-gets ba or hindi na-gets. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!